This steak is exploding with umami flavors, and let me tell you why. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today I'm going to show you my umami-boosted tomahawk steak. First step into umami boost, Shio Koji. We have a beautiful tomahawk steak from a local farm, Capital Farms. Let's open up the package and look at this tomahawk steak. It's going to cook really well. Shio Koji is a cultured rice condiment that adds a lot of umami flavor to a dish. We're going to place the steak in a vacuum-sealed bag, and then we're going to add half a cup of Shio Koji. We're going to vacuum seal this and let it sit in the fridge for at least 24 hours. Second step into umami boost, MSG. It's been 24 hours. We're going to remove the tomahawk steak from the vacuum-sealed bag. We want to pat it dry, and then we want to season it all over with MSG. And MSG is going to give it even more umami taste. We're going to place this on an elevated rack and keep in the fridge for at least 24 hours. Third step in the umami boost, Big Swede Barbecue Badass Beef Boost. It's been another 24 hours. We're going to spray down our tomahawk steak with some duck fat, and then we want to season it all over with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Beef Boost. And then we're going to place it back in the fridge again for another 24 hours. The tomahawk steak has now gone through the process, and it's ready for cooking. We're going to place our steak in our Pits and Spits offset smoker. It's set at 250 degrees, and we're using pecan wood. Now we're going to smoke it until it reaches an inner temperature of about 110, 115 degrees. And look at that, you know this will taste amazing. The steak is now sitting with an inner temperature of 115 degrees. We have a good fire going in the arctic flame. So now we need to grill it on all sides. We want to make sure that we don't overcook it. We're going to grill it until it reaches an inner temperature of 128 degrees. We also want to make sure that we also grill the edges. And just look at this steak. Look at the color. This is going to taste so good. When ready, we're going to remove it from the grill. We're going to let it rest for about 10 minutes. And then we're going to slice it into thick slices. You can already tell it's going to be great. And that is how I make my umami-boosted tomahawk steak from Capital Farms. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and look at that gorgeous smoked red color. Oh, this just looks amazing. So here we go. So packed with flavor. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling. And it melts in your mouth.